Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Google AI Studio account. If you've decided you no longer need access to Google's AI development tools, removing your account is a straightforward process that I'll walk you through step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to aistudio.google.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're logging into the correct Google account that's associated with AI Studio, as this is the account we'll be working with throughout this tutorial. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile avatar displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear, giving you access to various account management options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Manage Your Google Account and click on it. This is your gateway to all the settings and configurations tied to your Google account. The page might take a moment to fully load, so be patient as it brings up your complete account dashboard. Once you're in your Google account management page, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left side of the screen. From this panel, click on Data and Privacy. This section houses all the critical settings related to your personal information, privacy controls, and account management options. Now comes the important part. You'll need to scroll down through the Data and Privacy section. Keep scrolling until you locate the option labeled Delete Your Google Account. This is typically found toward the bottom of the page. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. At this point, Google will ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your Google account, then click Next. This verification step ensures that only you can delete your account, protecting against unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the process to delete your Google AI Studio account by removing your entire Google account. Keep in mind that this action will permanently remove all data associated with your Google services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.